gusto to direct Gino. Alright, so all those singing boys, pwede na kayo pumasok sa mga bus. And they are going to have a photo walk sa ating baba, sa gitna, or sa taas. Go ahead, go inside the cinema. Magkakaubusan na po ng seats. Make sure to present your tickets before going inside. And make sure meron na kayong snacks. The captain of the chef, Gino Santos. Okay, careful going up. Here's the microphone. Please greet all our media friends, vloggers, influencers. Of course, your fans are also here.
Yes, thank you for coming. Bukas na po, May 1, Men Are From QC, Women Are From Alabang. Nationwide, no? busy siya. So bring everyone.
Yes, please enjoy watching Men Are From QC, Women Are From Alabang. And of course, yung mga press natin ngayon, and sa lahat po, maraming salamat sa suporta. I-link po namin yan sa mga social media. So sana spread the word po. Tulungan po tayo. Thank you so much!
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Sobrang na-excite kami at sobrang natuwa, sobrang nagulat. Kaya sana mapanood nyo na po bukas lahat at sana mag-enjoy kayo. Kasama kung sino man, jowa, tropa, pamilya, kaaway. Sige, enjoy guys.
Lastly, I just want to say thank you so much for Heavenly Angels and Marvin and Team Marco for coming.
Oh yeah, of course, really. Thank you.
Support na dito sa SM North. Ngayon naman, para mas masaya din kayo, we'll have a group. How about a hand, everybody? Alright! Alright, let's have the microphone. Alright, please greet all your fans, supporters.
Yes, family and friends, yung mga pumunta dito, close to our hearts, and fans, of course. Thank you so much for coming, and sana magustuhan yung film na to. Sobrang ganda kasi napanood na namin kahapon yung screening kahapon, and we're just super proud of this film, and I hope na kayo rin sana maging proud din sa film na to.
I think she said it all, honestly. But really, no, it's okay. You're better than me at talking. But everyone that is here, really, I hope you guys get the feels that we wanted to show in the movie, and I hope you guys just really enjoy it and have a good time, most of it.
Yes, bukas na po, May 1, Labor Day, so bring your friends, everyone, your lovers. This is a movie for everyone. It's rated PG, and masarap panood sa sinehan, no? Ang lamig. So, please watch this week. Thank you so much.
So after tonight, panoorin na natin yan bukas. Maganda kung sabay-sabay bukas, guys. Alright, and this time, let's have your photos taken. The female lead will be at the center.